Grease stains on carpets can be tough to deal with, but don't worry. Here's how you can remove them effectively. First, let's talk about grease stains. Grease stains are caused by oily substances that get embedded in the carpet fibers, making them difficult to remove with regular cleaning. To tackle these stains, we're going to start with baking soda. Baking soda works against grease stains by absorbing the grease and breaking it down, making it easier to lift off the carpet. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to a small bowl. Next, we'll use cornstarch. Cornstarch is great for absorbing grease and oil from the carpet fibers. Add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch to the bowl with the baking soda. Now, we'll use dish soap. Dish soap is effective against grease stains because it breaks down the grease and lifts it away from the carpet fibers. Add 1 teaspoon of dish soap to the mixture in the bowl. Mix all the ingredients together very well. You can also add a little amount of water to make the mixture more liquid if needed. Take a brush and dip it into this mixture. Apply the paste directly onto the grease stain on your carpet. Use the brush to rub the mixture into the carpet, scrubbing gently but firmly. This will help to lift the grease from the carpet fibers. Continue to rub the mixture into the stain for a few minutes. You should start to see the grease breaking down and lifting away from the carpet. After scrubbing, use a clean cloth soaked in water to blot the area, removing the mixture and the dissolved grease. Rinse the cloth regularly and continue blotting until the area is clean. And there you have it. Your stain should be gone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more cleaning tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.